China is still a strategic market for ExxonMobil, and we are very encouraged to see China's firm commitment to continued reforms. It's my first time in Shanghai, but needless to say that I'm very impressed with the city and its infrastructure. He has definitely benefited from his development strategy, especially the Dead Sea corridor, which has enabled us to effectively serve our many and important customers here, but also more broadly in the western part of the country.
The topic of NDRC's measure for supporting large-scale equipment upgrades and trading of consumer goods. The initiative will play a pivotal role in driving China's continued economic growth and technological advancements.